Assalamu alaikum students. This is your exercise 2.1 question number 3. Question number 3 is simplify the following by converting into the form indicated. Here the form indicated is scientific notation. We have to convert these values into scientific notation. First of all, we multiply 563.71 times by 2.54 and we get 1431.8234. Now 10 raised to power minus 3 and 10 raised to power 4 left. 4 minus 3 is 1. So 10 raised to power 1. Scientific notation means our decimal point comes after first non-zero number. Here the first non-zero number is 1. So decimal point move 3 places to left. When a decimal point move right to left, when a decimal point move right to left, the power becomes 10 raised to power 3. So 1.4318234 times by 10 raised to power 1 already we have. Now we add 10 raised to power 3. 3 plus 1 becomes 4. So 1.4318234 times by 10 raised to power 4 is the answer. This is your scientific notation. Scientific notation basically required our decimal point after first non-zero number. Okay, this is your part 2. Part 2 is 0.023 times by 10 raised to power minus 5 over 10 raised to power minus 3. So we have to convert this value into standard notation. Standard notation means our answer must be without 10 power. Okay, first of all 0.023 times by 10 raised to power 5. हमारा डिनोमिनेटर में 10 raised to power minus 3 नीचे पड़ा हुआ है. When it comes to the upper value, this becomes plus 3. So 0.023 times by 10 raised to power 8. Now we have to write the answer into standard form. Standard form means कि हमारे पास 10 की पावर नहीं होनी चाहिए. वैसे वैल्यू बताएं क्या आएगी. So our decimal point moves 8 places to the right because इसकी पावर जो है वो +8 है. फर्स्ट मैं कुछ एक्स्ट्रा ज़ीरो लगाऊंगी, देन आई मूव माई डेसिमल पॉइंट. मेरा डेसिमल पॉइंट यहाँ पे था, मुझे इसको 8 प्लेसेस राइट पे मूव करवाना है. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. सो 23 के बाद 1 2 3 4 5 0 आएंगे. सो 23 so this is your answer. This is your standard notation. Student, this is your part 3. 2.549 times by 5067 times by 10 raised to power minus 3 divided by 10 raised to power 3. We have to convert these values into scientific notation. As you know, scientific notation means our decimal point must comes after first non-zero number. So first of all, we multiply these two values. 2.549 times by 5067 and we get 12915.783 times by 10 raised to power minus 3 already we have. When this comes to upper side, जब हमारे पास डिनोमिनेटर में 10 raised to power plus 3 होता है, जब ये न्यूमरेटर में आता है तो इसका जो पावर का जो साइन है वो चेंज हो जाता है. इफ इट इज -3 it convert into, if it is +3 it convert into -3. So 10 raised to power minus 3 already we have. When this comes to the upper side, this also becomes -3. So 12915.783 times by 10 raised to the minus 6. So we have to write our answer into scientific notation. Scientific notation means हमारा डेसिमल पॉइंट फर्स्ट नॉन जीरो नंबर के बाद आएगा. लेट चेक हाउ मेनी प्लेसेज इट मूव्स. इट मूव्स 1, 2, 3 and 4. It moves 4 places from right to left. So 1.2915783 times by 10 raised to the minus 6 already we have. जब हमारा डेसिमल पॉइंट राइट से लेफ्ट पे मूव किया, it becomes 10 raised to the 4. 1.2915783 times by 10 raised to the minus 2. This is our answer. This is your last part of question number 3. This is your fourth part. Last part of question number 3. 0.0009988 times 10 raised to the 10. So we have to convert this value into standard form. Standard form means कि हमारे पास जो 10 की पावर 10 है ना, उसे हमने ख़त्म कर देना है. हमने 10 raised to the 10 की जो डेसिमल पॉइंट है ना, उस डेसिमल पॉइंट को हमने मूव करवाना है 10 प्लेसेस टू राइट, बिकॉज उसकी पावर जो है वो +10 है. हमारा डेसिमल पॉइंट 10 प्लेसेस राइट पे मूव कर जाएगा. सो फर्स्ट मैं कुछ रैंडम ज़ीरो लगाऊंगी, उसके बाद मैं डेसिमल पॉइंट मूव करवाऊंगी. आई राइट 4 random zeros. So I move my decimal point 10 places to right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So it means 8 के बाद I get 3 more zeros. So डेसिमल पॉइंट के बाद जो 99 से पहले ज़ीरो हैं वो एलिमिनेट हो जाते हैं, उनको हम यूज़ नहीं करते हैं. 99, 88 and then add 3 more zeros. This is your answer.